Hello everyone, I'm Kathy. This video is going to talk about how to use Live Classroom. Part 1, I'm going to talk about the Live Classroom interface introduction. So I will only talk about the useful icons on Live Classroom interface. So this is the initial page that you will see when you log in your Live Classroom. So these are the list of your classes, and on the top will always be your latest class for today. And then for today or for in history. And then next one is very useful is this calendar. So you could click here to enter a formal classroom when the Coolum platform cannot work, because my account is not teacher's account, so my surface will be different. And we don't suggest you to check your schedule from this calendar here in Live Classroom, because the information here may have some mistakes. So you should always stick with your Coolum platform and also enter in the classroom always using Coolum platform instead of Live Classroom, only if Coolum platform had problems. And then next one is CloudDisk. So please keep in mind that this you could only upload or delete or rename materials from this CloudDisk here. You could click this upload to upload any materials that you think are useful to your class. And the authorized resources are all the lesson plans that we provided for example, demo class materials and formal class teaching plans. ADV from level 1 to 9 and teen from level 1 to 9. But bear in mind that you cannot open these files here, but you can open it when you were in the classroom. And also this one is quite important. This is Blackboard editor. So it is a preparation room for your practice. So you could practice without any student by practicing all these tools of Live Classroom and to be more professional. And then is the system setting icon here. It's only useful for Mac users. So for Mac users, you should always remember to change the record setting so that when you record the class, it won't record the whole desktop of your laptop. But for Windows users, there's no need to change anything. Okay, that's the end of part 1. Please watch part 2.